Well, for us, this is a fantastic collaboration arena. So our key interest is deploying the different technical solutions to improve safety, improve efficiency, improve our ability for environmental monitoring. So this is a good arena for us to engage across the community within robotics to ensure that we collectively develop solutions that are fit for purpose and fit for our use cases. They are actually in use for many applications today. So quite a few years back, we started utilizing drones for inspection in heights. So this is already common practice. We have actually ground robotics doing inspection rounds on our onshore assets at the moment. We have one on Northern Lights doing perimeter control, security applications, and we have autonomous inspection routes at our coast land facility. We also have subsea robotics deployed. We've had the world record beaten many times for subsea residents at the Njord field. So we have a subsea drones doing different inspection and maintenance tasks. And we are developing technology together with suppliers, service providers for many different applications. Leak detection, quantification of diffuse emissions, surface treatment is a good example. At Peregrino, we saved almost 70% of the work hours for doing painting with a magnetic crawler for surface treatment and painting as one example. In the future, we foresee actually combining a lot of the different technologies. You could foresee a supply chain where you have these supply bases onshore. You can have both flying drones, uncrewed vessels, subsea drones that could service, as an example, the complete Norwegian continental shelf. And we could also have additive manufacturing at the same location, so sort of centralizing and utilize different technology for the greater good. So really transforming the way we work for improved efficiency.